Hey beautiful people, it's Ashley here from Elemental Growth. As you can see here, our sap has stopped running. So what I did was I pulled the spout out, or the spile out, and plugged up the hole with a stick that fit in the hole actually like pretty perfectly. No matter what, you'll be able to find something that will work really well. So eventually I will like chop that off, but I'm just gonna let it recover for a little bit first. The reason why we plug it is just to make sure that the tree lives, to make sure that no bugs or infection or anything get stuck in there, because we want this tree to live. You know, this is obviously something really special. It helped me shampoo my hair. It has brought us really good syrup. It's brought us medicine, electrolytes. It's brought us sweetness that we can add to whatever we want, our teas. So later on in the year too, in the fall, winter time, we're going to be harvesting chaga off of here too. So there's lots of reasons why we want to keep this alive, keep it healthy, and continue to build a good relationship with these amazing trees and nature all around us. I love you guys.